this song was never given exposure. DJs shied away from such a beautiful song. I don't know if it's because the lyrics are in Sotho or what, but this song, I remember going to the Free State and dropping this song. Basotho ba jumpa, man.
It's Moretsi. We're taking your calls on 089-110-2000. Let's see who wins this round. We have 2 minutes to do this. 2009.
The vendor takes it.
Shapuze Ratiang. Yo. Yeah. Yeah. I hope Mwenyezi manoju. Hey son, okay. Aru, hey. Yeah, yeah.
MTN house call.
Yes, they got MTN house call.
MTN house call.
Yeah.
Moretele Street. Moretele Street. Yes.
Boss. Etlamun.
I'm right to get that cheat. Sure. King Glen the first. Thank you. Thanks for the call. Yeah. Sure, I know. They give you the history, my man, before they tell you about the song.
2000, hi. Hey, what's your name? Thanks for calling, Max. Glen is right here.
Zinjani Kals up from 14? Is that right? Okay. In Selandon up.
That's in Selandon.
As for them clickers. I'm Fontini. No, there's no doubt.
I think people forgot my song.
The song does not exist. That's why I asked you to fade that song out.
I think people forgot my song. I really do. 2000 high. Hello? Here, Batu. 2000 high. Shabuzid. Yeah, what's your name?
Mfana futhi kunjani bafethu? Izinja zami masihamba KZN sihamba nawe mfana futhi uthini mfana?
Glen, what do you mean it's no more? It's right here. Oh. Let's hear it. Vote quickly. We have time challenges. Yes.
Okay.
You're the man. 2000 high. We well, thank you. What's your name? Thank you, man. Tell us who you voting for. Oh boy.
It's
yes. So this is a terribly dirty phone call. We are Nuga. That's why I voted Glen. Sharp. Sharp. I have to take the last one quickly. Hi, what's your name? Brian, please vote quickly. It's 11 o'clock. We have to go to the news.
Okay, so I'm voting for
Washa. So you only it's 4-1.